Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ready to dive into a world where paper pieces come together to make something amazing? Grab your scissors and glue, and let's create a masterpiece with our very own paper collage adventure.
Mama, it's raining so much! We can't go outside to play. What do we do now? I wanted to make something fun.
Who says you can't make something fun inside? We have everything we need to make a paper collage: scissors, glue, and colorful paper.
A paper collage? What's that?
It's like building a picture using pieces of paper. Instead of drawing, you cut and paste paper to make something beautiful.
That sounds amazing! Let's do it!
Let's start with something simple, cutting out shapes to make a picture of a garden. We need pieces for the grass, flowers, and trees.
I'll cut strips for the grass. And I'll cut circles for flower petals.
Great job! Now let's paste these pieces onto the paper to make our garden scene.
Whoa! What are you making?
A garden! We're using paper shapes to make it.
Very nice. But how about you add a tree in your garden?
Yes, Big Brother Haseeb. I was also thinking of adding a tree.
Cool. But your tree looks a bit empty. How about I add some paper apples?
Yes. Cut out small red circles for apples.
There. Now it looks like an orchard.
Awesome idea, Haseeb. Small details like apples make the collage look even better.
Now it's the time for quiz. What do you need to make a paper collage? Option A: pencils and erasers. Option B: colored paper, glue, and scissors. Option B is correct. A collage is made by cutting and pasting different pieces of paper to form a design. What is the best background for a paper collage? Option A: a blank sheet of paper. Option B: a chalkboard. Excellent! Option A is correct. A collage is usually pasted onto a flat surface like paper to hold the design together. What shapes are most helpful for making a paper collage? Option A: circles, squares, and triangles cut from paper. Option B: wooden blocks and beads. Good job! Option A is correct. A collage is made by arranging and gluing cutout shapes to create a design. You can make a paper collage by pasting paper pieces to create a picture of a house. Is this statement true or false? Think about how you can cut a square for the house and a triangle for the roof. Perfect! This statement is true. You should paste all the paper pieces in random places to make a paper collage. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. A collage should have an organized design to form a meaningful picture. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be squishing and shaping some clay into cool creations. Get ready for more fun! Until then, keep your hands busy and your imagination wide open. See you on our next adventure!